How to fix Roblox Error Code 773. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now this is extremely simple. All you have to do is to open up the Roblox application if you're using your mobile device, but if you are inside your Windows computer, you can just go ahead and open up the desktop or the browser version. Once inside Roblox, you want to click on the gear icon at the corner of your screen, and from here you want to click on settings. The first thing that you want to do is to navigate through the privacy settings, and inside you can just go ahead and disable the account restriction. So you want to click on this button right here, and right after that you want to go ahead and put your PIN number. Now right after enabling this option, you want to navigate through the security section right here, and once inside you want to scroll all the way down, click on log out all other sessions, and you want to confirm this by clicking on the log out button. Right after logging out your sessions, you then want to navigate through the Windows icon at the corner of your screen, or if you're using your mobile devices, you can just go ahead and uninstall Roblox. In our case, we want to go ahead and type add or remove programs, and from here you can just go ahead and search Roblox. Go ahead and click on it, and you want to click on uninstall. Right after uninstalling Roblox, you then want to head to the official website of Roblox, so you can just go ahead and type Roblox, download in your browser, and from here you want to open this website, which is roblox.com/download. Click on download Windows app and reinstall the Roblox application, and that should fix our problem. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.